Hey, what's up? It's Philip from Easy Tutorials, and let me show you quickly today how to export only part of the video in a Blender video editor. It's very simple, very easy to do. Just follow me, import your video over here, just drag and drop it, we have a video. Now if you move this playhead, you can see at the right bottom over here that says current frame. So if I move it, it will change the frame. Okay? And now you choose, for example, you want to export from the frame 50 to the frame 100. You can just type it over here, 50 or 100. Okay, and on the right side you can see the start and the end. If you go to output, properties over here, and click frame range, this is the same, frame start and frame end. So if I click over here to start at the 50 and end at the 100, you can see that it already changed, also changed over here at the frame range. So you can change the frame range and it will export it. You can see it's a little bit accented over here. And just go over here, go to output, choose the folder you want to save your file, choose the format over here, and under the encoding I will choose this MPEG-4 or the MP4 as you want to see it, and this is it, quality and so on. And when you are ready, just click over here, render, and click render animation, and your animation will be saved in the folder you choose before. And this is it. If you find this helpful, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.